Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss on the automatic batch determination in production process. Okay, batch is one of the unique identification number which is assigned to a lot of material, and that unique identification number used for traceability. Okay, and batch determination help to consume the batch stock during issue of the metal consumption. During metal consumption, batch determinants help to get the batch which are in the stock. Okay, so I'll show you now in this video. I'll show you what are the settings required for the automatic batch determination, and some are the part of the master data and like master data level, and some are at the uh, configuration level. Okay, so first let me go through the master data level. So here first metal master, then characteristic, then we have to maintain the class, then we have to maintain the sort rule, that is in transaction CU70, and then batch sort strategy, that is in transaction COB1. Okay, so let me go to SAP. Here 03. This is the one of the batch managed material. So if you look at, this is the batch management flag is activated here. It is in metal master. Okay, now if I go to the MRP2 view, there is one batch entry, there is one field batch entry. So in batch entry there are 4 options are there. One is blank. If you put the blank, then uh, it will not you can give the batch number manually, so it will not help for batch determination. First one is for manual batch determination. When you release the production order, you can do the manual batch determination. So I'll show you where is the field to do the manual batch determination. Okay, second one is batch is not required in production order, but during confirmation system should pick the batch number. Okay, third one is automatic batch determination. When you release the production order, product system should able to, as per your requirement quantity, its system should able to check the batch which have the stock, and accordingly it should pick the batch and update in the production order. Okay, so that is the this option 3, number 3. So as the topic is on the automatic batch determination, so I have updated it as 3 here. Then once your metal is activated for batch management, then we have to create the characteristic. So characteristic, like what are the parameters of specification of your material. So those specifications you can create as a characteristic. Okay, like I took one of the parameters, density, one of the specification density. Okay, so density, like I give some value here. Okay, then another I took length. Okay, in length I give some values. Okay, once you create all these characteristic then you need to assign all these characteristic to one class. So class type for batch is 023. 023 is the a class type for batch. So if I go here, CL01 batch can be created, as a class can be created through transaction CL01. So this is 0 to 3 and this is class, class because it is already created. So when you create in CL01, you can give your name, display. So look at here, this characteristic what I created, length, density, I have assigned here. Okay, now class is created, characteristic is created, class is created. Once you create the class, this class need to be assigned to metal master. So I will go to metal master again. Here if you look at, I have assigned this class. So once you assign this class, so class type is 0 to 3. Once I assign to this class, okay, this length and density, that characteristic will populate automatically. Okay, so now this is about the class, characteristic and metal master. Once all these three in place, then you will create the sort rule. So in CO70 you can create the sort rule. So I have already created, so I will go to this one. So you can give name, any name, name. So here sort rule, if I go to characteristic, so all these characteristics, whatever characteristic specifications we have created as a characteristic, those characteristics we can assign here. And here we can keep the, like, choose whether, because when automatic batch determination will happen, system will check what are the classification of batch, and in classification your characteristic values will be there. So it will be checked, suppose there are multiple batches are there, how do program will be pick which is first, which one it will pick. So it will be either it will be ascending, do the values will be ascending order it will pick, or in descending order. So that's what I chosen the ascending. Okay, so once you create this short rule or short sequence, then you will create the strategy type. So this is the transaction based or strategy type. So, this strategy type, if you look at here, so these are like a part in configuration. I will show you after this. I'll show you. So these are the part of the configuration. In configuration, we have to create the strategy type. So strategy type means like, when you do the batch determination, like what are need to be considered, like how do you restrict your batch determination. uh, okay, so like if you look at this here, order type, plant, material, I mean these are three combinations. For these three combination we are activating the automatic batch determination. Okay, like if you look at, there are multiple strategy type there. Here it has given product material, and some are like expiration date. So different strategy type you can create. There are, I'll show in config, there are some fields are there. You can take those field and you can create your own strategy type. Okay, so CO01. So here we are taking order type, plant, material. So these are the three combination for which we are activating the automatic batch determination. Okay, so here you can give your material, for which material you want to activate. Here like order type, which order type, for which order type you will activate the automatic batch determination. Okay, and then here number of split means like, suppose your you have the multiple batches or batch stocks are there, and one batch stock will not able to satisfy the requirement quantity. Okay, so system should be able to split that requirement quantity across the batch till it satisfy the requirement satisfy the quantity. Like suppose your requirement quantity is the 100 pieces, so one batch have stock of 20 pieces, another batch have stock of 80 pieces. So system should take 20 pieces from first batch, 80 pieces from second batch. So that is called the batch split. Okay, so like that, how what is the maximum number of split you need, that you can mention here. So generally we will put 99. Okay, so this is dialog. Okay, and then so this is the display of unit of measurement, which unit of measurement we want to take, like unit of entry document or stock keeping. So we'll choose stock keeping unit of measurement. Okay, and then quantity proposal, it's simple top to down. Okay, and over delivery, suppose you want to choose allow to over delivery, then you can choose over delivery. Okay, so this is immediate, so we'll not require to choose anything. Okay, so once you choose all this, here if you choose your selection criteria. So selection criteria, generally we should keep the blank. Suppose if you want system to consider only those pages which have particular value, like suppose length, if you look the length of 3 values. Suppose you want program to check only the batch which has the value 9 or some 8. So then you need to put the value. If no, system should able to ascending order, yeah, it should choose the batch based in ascending order or descending order on its own, then you can keep it blank. Okay, now here short sequence. So short sequence he can give this one, because this is already created, that you can assign here. Okay, so already I have this is uh, uh, created, so already I created, so I will not save it. Okay, as it is already created. So I'll escape. So uh, once you update all that, then you can save it, but now I will not save it because already I created this one. Okay, so if you look at, I was already created. Okay, already I created here. So here, like selection criteria, I did not give any value, and here it is your sort rule. Okay, so once now material master setting is done, class is created, characteristic is created, and class is assigned to the metal master, sort rule is created, and batch strategy is created. So once all this created, now we'll go to the configuration. In configuration, logistic general, batch management, and here like batch determination and batch check. Okay, first condition table. So SAP already gave its own condition table. If it is not sufficient, then you can create your own, else you can use this one, the which they have given. So if you look at 030 order type plant component, so this is sufficient for us, so we can choose this one. So if you look at, we have the metal type, order type, planning plant. So there are different fields are there. Okay, so but we'll activate the our batch return based on the order type, plant and material. Okay, that's what which is we'll use this table number, condition table. Now once is condition table is perfect, then we'll go to access sequence. In access sequence, so the condition table what is created, that will be assigned to this access sequence. Okay, look at this is assigned here. Okay, if I go here, you can see the fields. So this is like a standard fields. Okay, once happened this one, then strategy type. In strategy type, production or strategy type, so suppose it took this one CO01. Okay, and here, so this is the class we created earlier, so thus that class it assigned here. Similarly, search sequence what we created, that we assigned here. Okay, and number of split. Okay, and dialog, display so all this need to assign here. Okay, once we create this strategy type, updated this strategy production strategy type, now next is batch search procedure definition. So in define production search procedure. Okay, so this is the search procedure. Okay, here if I go here, look at this is our. Okay, here we can you can search in search procedure, you can assign this our strategy type condition table. Okay, you can assign here. Now once you create the search procedure, okay, that search procedure need to assign to the order type dependent parameter of the material. Okay, so order type dependent parameter, I'll search for plant. So if you look at plant, so now we are going to activate the automatic batch determination for this order type PP01. So I'll go to the order type dependent parameter of this PP01 order type. Now here that search procedure need to update here. Okay, and we need to activate this one, check batch. Check batch means based on the batch determination, whatever batch updated in the production order, if you want to override that batch manually, okay, so this tick will help to override that one. Okay, you can able to update override that batch. So once you assign the batch search procedure in the order type dependent parameter, you can save it. Okay, once you save it, now I'll show you the test case. So now all required configuration is done, and master data also setting is also done. Now I'll show you on test case. So this is the parent material for which for the material, raw material. This is parent material. Okay, and I will create a production order for this one. Once I create, suppose so before that, let me check the stock of that raw material. So this is our batch management material. If I go here, see 48, batch number 48 is with 202 stock, and batch number 50 with 300 stock. Okay, if I create the product order with this one. Okay, suppose here so let me open the bill of material also. See, requirement quantity is 1 for each parent material. Okay, suppose if I give 300, okay, and I give the future date L2 enter. So batch determination is doing. Okay, so 300 for 300 quantity of finished material, we need 300 pieces of raw material. Okay, so if I go to now in component screen, so if you look at, if you stock for 48 only 202, but we need the 300 pieces. Okay, so that is done. So we need after 40 after 202 we remaining we need 98. Okay, so if you go to this product in order, look at, it took the 202 stock from the batch 48, and for remaining 98 it took from the stock 50, batch number 50. Okay, so it is that split what we activated in the number of split, that split is helping to split your requirement quantity across the availability of batch stock. Okay, so as 202 is available for batch number 48, and there is shortage of 98, so it took the 98 pieces from the batch number 50. Okay, now I'll save it. Sorry. So let me activate the back plus, because I did not activate it at metal level. So I'll activate back plus so that we can check the confirmation also. So I'll save it. So once I save it, so order number is 140088. Okay, CO11N. So the only one operation, 300 quantity. Okay, this is level. Now I'll go to goods movement. See, if you look at goods movement, 202 pieces from this stock, 98 from 50. Okay, now I'll save it. So it done, goods movement is done. Okay, see, this is the document. Okay, this is issued. This is your product order. Against this product order, this batch has consumed. Okay, so this is all about the automatic batch determination